Oh, he got action. Yeah, he on another fish right now, y'all. He got him too. Last shad and we out of here. Cast mine, get his fish for him.
Damn.
Yeah.
Come on, I got some, what they say, some shoulders on him.
For sure, for sure. Don't rush it. Don't rush. Take your time with him.
Oh, you going out too?
Yeah. This is the big one today.
Woo wee! Dang!
You got to hold him up so I get it on video.
I got you.
Put it in the pole holder. While I'm still recording. I got one too. I'll get him in a second. Just put it in the pole holder. Ain't nothing on there. Ain't nothing gonna take it. And you gotta get your hands dirty and pick that big boy up. Yeah, that was a nice one right there. And you gotta get your hands dirty. Yeah, that's probably a 10.
Probably the biggest catfish I ever caught.
I'm gonna get bigger. We gonna catch bigger, but off that little piece of shad, hold them sideways, yeah.